As Ramadan draws near, the sharp rise in inflation across Pakistan has left many families struggling to make ends meet. Essential goods have become more expensive, with traders exploiting the holy month by raising prices, putting immense financial strain on ordinary citizens. With little government interventions to curb this trend, the festive spirit of Ramadan is overshadowed by the harsh reality of inflation, mismanagement and corruption, making it an even tougher time for the nation's most vulnerable.
In many Islamic nations, as well as in non-Muslim countries, with significant Muslim populations, special provisions are made to facilitate fasting during Ramadan. Governments and charitable organizations collaborate to provide essential goods at discounted prices, easing the burden on families during this sacred time. However, the situation in Pakistan is markedly different. As Ramadan approaches, Pakistan is grappling with a sharp rise in inflation, driving up the cost of essential commodities and making it increasingly difficult for ordinary citizens to make ends meet. Instead of offering relief to the public during this holy month, traders, particularly in major cities like Karachi, are significantly raising prices. This has sparked widespread frustration and financial strain among the population, making the spirit of Ramadan harder to embrace.
दुनिया में क्रिश्चियन, यूरोप में हिंदू बरादरी भी इंडिया में पैसे कम करती है और यहाँ के ताजिर लोगों को लूटने के लिए महंगाई की इंतहा पर चले जाते हैं। ताजिर बरादरी जो है वो मुल्क को चाटने में पाकिस्तान के सियासतदानों की तरह इन्वॉल्व है। वो मुल्क को खा रहे हैं, जैसे सियासतदान जो है ना अपने खर्चे पूरे करने के लिए पब्लिक पर बोझ डालते हैं।
In a country where a significant portion of the population lives paycheck to paycheck, the rising costs of essential goods have placed a considerable burden on families that were already living on the edge. For many, even meeting their basic transportation needs has become an overwhelming challenge. What makes the situation even more dire is the growing inability to afford essential festive items for the holy month, such as special foods, new clothes, or even basic gifts.
पाकिस्तानी हम जो ना 2 नंबर के मुसलमान हैं। जब भी महंगाई या ऐसे त्योहारों का मौका आता है तो ये चीज़ें ना आसमान तक चढ़ा देते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि चीज़ें सस्ती हो जाए ताकि गरीब भी जो ना इस मुक़द्दस महीने में आराम से रोज़े रख सके और उसको रिलीफ मिल सके।
तो हर कोई अपने बचत के चक्कर में लगा हुआ है। महंगाई तो वैसे ही इस टाइम आसमान पे है और जब रमज़ान आ जाएगा तो और चीज़ें फिर महंगी आ जाएगी। आपको तो पता है, वरना रमज़ान में स्पेशल इनको पैकेजेस देने चाहिए बीइंग अ मुस्लिम कंट्री के हवाले से, मगर यहाँ पे चीज़ें और ज़्यादा डबल हो जाती हैं। भाई अल्लाह खैर करे बस।
The situation in Pakistan is a reflection of deeper issues that have plagued the country for years: rampant inflation, mismanagement and corruption. With little intervention from the government to control prices, people are left to fend for themselves, traveling long distances or going without the festive items that once symbolized this holy month. As the government continues to grapple with economic instability and corruption, the question remains: how long will the common people continue to bear the weight of this crisis? For now, it seems that Ramadan in Pakistan is marked not by the spirit of giving, but by a painful reminder of the ongoing struggles faced by its citizens.